Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet's Quick Creations. Today we're going to be showing you another lighter wrap. I'm going to show you how to do the West Country whipping stitch. So let's dive right in. So for this project today, you're going to need about 8 to 10 feet of paracord to cover a standard lighter. I've got about 10 feet here of our Harley paracord. And to get started, we need to find the middle of our paracord. So I'm just going to find the middle right there, and then we're going to put it behind our lighter. Now, this wrap is really just a bunch of overhand knots, which if you're familiar with just the basic knot you do for most things, that's an overhand knot. The trick is making sure the knots stay even and are tightened to the same tightness so it looks good on the lighter. Now the way I like to do it is I go over with the right cord, go over with the left, and then finish the knot with the right cord. And you will do this every time, going back and forth. Once again, the key is to stay consistent, so you have to remember which one you do first. So like I said, I like to do right, then left, then finish the knot with the right hand side. I'm right-handed, so it's just easy to remember that. So once again, you're going to put the right over, then the left over that, and then finish your overhand knot with the right cord. And then pull it. After you get a couple on there, it's easy to get the cord to stay at the top of the lighter. So then you'll start tightening them down. And we're flipping the lighter back and forth after every knot. So you do a knot on one side, then you do it on the other. I'm going to show you a few of these here, and then we'll speed up towards the end. So there is 2 of those knots there, and as you can see, they kind of look a bit uneven. As you go through, you're going to want to adjust your knots to make sure they look the way you want them to. Now the first couple knots, it's tough to get perfect. It's much easier after you get more on there, just because there's more to work with. So once again, right on the top of the lighter, put the left strand over that, and then complete the knot with your right strand. So I'm putting my last knots in the lighter here. As you can see, the knots need a bit of adjusting so they all look even. As I've been going along, I've been going back to the last couple, making sure they look good with the one underneath it. That's the key to this wrap, is to always go back and just make sure everything's looking even. The knots do allow you some flexibility to move them around. So I'm going to call it good on that. I do have a second lighter so I can seal the ends here. Makes it a little bit easier. You're going to want to be careful. Obviously, you're holding a lighter up to another lighter, so just make sure to keep the flame on the paracord and you'll be totally fine. But I'm just going to finish off these ends. So there we have our finished lighter wrap. That's the West Country whipping stitch. Like I said, this is a great project if you have like 6 to 10 feet of paracord lying around. Depends on how far down you want to finish that weave. But if you do need some more paracord, we will link ours in the description of this video. Hope you enjoyed this quick creation, and we'll see you next time.